Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today I'm going to test out the FX9672 using the jumper transmitter. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Hope everyone's doing well. Oh, that weed almost took it out. A terrible throw. It's in the air. Flying it with the jumper transmitter this time. Very cool. This is such a cool plane. The FX9672 is really neat looking. The new modern plane. I'm not sure if it's a drone or it's actually a manned plane. They may have both. Google it. Wind coming out of the north, I guess, this weekend, I guess is what I was going to say. Such a cool looking airplane. That is full throttle. There's a little 3D mode. That was accidental, so I wasn't even ready for it, but we pulled it out. Boy, that wind is picking up. Almost made me stall up there. Don't want to stall. I've had to chase this plane already a few times on the first flight. Flying it on a really windy day. It's not nearly as bad today, so hopefully I don't have to chase it like that no more. Yeah, that is so cool. I don't want to turn that way in that wind. Wee-haw. Okay guys, I'm going to try to bring it in for a landing. How about that? Last second throttle. Very cool. Thanks for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye.